Alright. Will he pass? Wow. Really? Gotta watch it at 1.5 speed. Pasta guy. Oh, this guy is the pasta chef. Sous chef with this guy. I love how he's talking Korean. It looks so good. So much seafood. The tough judge. Oh, this is so nerve-wracking. Deferred. Oh my goodness. So he had a bone in his mouth from the herring fish. Dang. Ooh. That guy got a bone too. The other judge. Okay, this is the guy I'm not rooting for, right? Yeah. Fancy, but I feel like it's a lot of stuff in one dish. Yeah, so he's mixing a lot of different things in here. Mexican, Korean, and American, I think. Ooh, I'm sorry. Not really sorry. Dang. He was questioning the use of watermelon, but it looks like he's approving it? I'm not sure. Using so many techniques. Oh, it looks pretty. Okay, survived. So this pasta guy wanted Chef An to be his judge, so we'll see. Making a ravioli. Wow, so pretty. So many things though. God, I just love how meticulous he is with his tasting. Deferred. He got deferred because of flowers, because it's an unnecessary ingredient. King is here! Oh no! He didn't get a feature. Yay! He made it! And there you go, straight in a row. Lots of people eliminated. That's so sad. It looks like they are now picking from the deferred pool. Oh, the pasta guy made it. Oh, I forgot. Lady, I love her. She's maybe the 20th pick. Right, these are the black spoons and the white spoons. Oh, this is starting to heat up. Out of these 40, only half will pass. Crazy. Black spoon versus white spoon. Okay. I think it's one-on-one, so we'll see. Okay, each fridge has an ingredient. One black and one white spoon is gonna go pick a fridge, and there's an ingredient in the fridge, and they're gonna compete. Okay, so they chose a white spoon, and then whoever in the black spoon team wants to challenge him will step up. Woo, we'll see which one. Okay, who is this guy? Oh, it's the duck guy. Oh, okay. It's like they are both fine dining experts, so we'll see. Let the whites. He just let the black spoon pick, and the ingredient is 3 junks. Okay, this is the special Chinese chef. Ooh, someone stepped up. Oh, 3 people. What the? Oh, wow. The Chinese cuisine chefs stepped up. Oh, the comic book chef. Ah! I actually love him. Ah! Why is it girls versus girls? I don't get it. Okay, but yuck. Oh. What did they get? Oh my god, it's blurred. What the heck? Ooh, blindfolded. Okay. Blind taste test. So it's only going to be flavors and taste that are being judged. 70 minutes to cook something. We'll see. This is Meatmaster, who is going up against Edward. Aged kimchi. Ah, okay. Okay, so they are both very American, cooked in America. So they have a very Korean ingredient. Interesting. We'll see what they make. Oh my god, I just love the music that they're using right now. Like, just... kind of different. One's making a salad, one's like frying it in some skate. So, ooh, interesting. Okay, only one will survive. Let's see. Whoa! He didn't even know it was him. I wish there was like a duo or something that wasn't, you know, the same gender. There might be, but I mean, I'll have to keep watching. We'll see. Got to scale your own fish? What? Oh, this is what people keep talking about. All right, here it goes. Whoa. Reaction. Ah. So funny. Oh, they are so intrigued. It's like I want their job, but I also don't, because you have to pick between two amazing things. But I also want to eat two amazing things. Like, ah. Oh gosh, of course it would just, yeah, okay.